Okay, using the Microsoft Word app on your computer, I'm going to show you some basics when it comes to word processing. And all of these things are standard requirements for any kind of word processing assignment you'll ever have to do for English, mostly because it includes MLA format. I'm also going to show you a few other things. So typically when you start typing on the Microsoft Word app, the default font is typically 11. The default font changes depending on which version of Microsoft Office Suite you have on your computer. So I'm going to show you guys how to standardize everything and make it look the same so it meets all of the requirements. First thing and the easiest thing to do is to select all, and that's easy keyboard Control A. Once you've selected all, we are going to make sure that this is double spaced. Anything that you do for English has to be double spaced if you're typing on Word. So once you've selected the entire document, go to the right screen and you'll see 3 dots. Those are your more options. Depending on which version, it might already show up on the toolbar, but most often it's these 3 dots you click on. And you are going to go to paragraph options. Sometimes the line spacing will show up right away. And wherever you see line spacing, you want to make sure it says double. That will make everything double spaced. Once you've had it double spaced, you still have it as select all. So while you have everything selected, let's go back and make sure that everything is the same size and same font. So your instructions for your assignment say Times New Roman. So we'll do that. And then we'll make sure that everything is 12. Okay, so now everything appears double spaced, Times New Roman, and 12-point font. Now for your 6-sentence paragraphs that you'll be typing quite a bit in freshman English, you have to have MLA format citations. And so you'll notice in my 6-sentence paragraph here, I do have quotes. Anytime you have a quote, you do need to cite it with a parenthetical citation, which just means the author's name and page number in parentheses at the end of the quote. So as you can see here, I have my first quote. So where you are going to want your citation at the end of the quote. I'm sure you how to do that. But first, we need to use a Google Chrome extension. And so I'm going to go back to my article that I pulled these quotes from. And most of you already have it installed on your computers. So your Google Chrome extensions always appear to the right of your address bar on Chrome. And so I already have it tagged here, as you can see. And so my bib citation generator will automatically give you a citation in MLA format that you just need to copy and paste into your document. If this is your first time using my bib citation generator, when you click on the Chrome extension, it'll ask you to pick what kind of formatting do you want. Scroll all the way down until you get to what they call MLA 9, and that's your most recent MLA format. So for an in-text citation, you just copy here, and now it's ready for me to paste it into my document. So I'm going to paste right at the end, corresponding. Now there's something that you do need to change. So when you're doing in-text parenthetical citations, the period never appears within the quotation mark. The period goes after the citation, after the parentheses. And now I got both of my quotations from the same source. So I'm just going to do that there. So there you have your in-text parenthetical citations at the end of each quote. Now, for this assignment, you also have to have a works cited page. Now, a works cited page always has to be on its own separate page within the document. So at the end of my paragraph, I'm just going to hit enter once so that the cursor is now below my paragraph. I'm going to go to insert, and right over here, I'm going to go to page break. Now I have a new page. So now you go to the home button again and get it back to this where you've got all of your spacing and your font and all that kind of stuff. And up along the top, I want to go to the text alignment button, select center, and I'm just going to type works cited. Notice it's plain, it's not fancy, it's not bold, it's not underlined, it's not in italics. Hit return again. And we're going to go back to our left alignment. And I'm going to go back to my article because something else that my bib generation citation generator does also creates a full MLA format citation for you. So you're going to click on it again. And the very first one they give you is the full MLA format citation. You're going to copy that. And you're going to go back to your document. And you're going to paste that into your document. Now there's one more step to make this correct. Unfortunately, when you copy and paste from my bib citation generator, it does not copy over what's called a hanging indent. And a hanging indent is what makes it an MLA format citation. It's basically where everything but the first line of the citation is indented half an inch. There's a very easy way to do this on Microsoft Word. So now that I have my citation, I'm going to copy, or I'm going to select it. We're going to go back to our three dots. And we're going to go to special indent. And you scroll on down so you see hanging. And there you have it. It gives you your hanging indent. There's one more thing. This too needs to be double spaced. So we go to line spacing, 2, and there you have it. So here we have the proper MLA format heading in the upper left-hand corner with your name, teacher name, class, and date, all double spaced. Our 6-sentence paragraph with 2 quotes that are properly formatted with their citations and a works cited. One last little thing. Indent your first line, and there you have it, a properly formatted paragraph with citation in Microsoft Word.